I'm your favorite Korean teacher, Jinny. I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a certified Korean teacher with professional teaching qualifications, and I currently teach students all around the world. My class is specialized for absolute beginners to upper intermediate. So if you don't even know how to read Hangul, don't worry. And if you don't know where to start, don't worry either, I'm here to help. I'm a very patient teacher and a great listener and a friendly person. Moreover, I genuinely support my students throughout their learning journey. So if you're looking for a great tutor you can feel comfortable with, rely on, and grow with, I'm here to help. Now, regarding my classes, I provide customized learning materials including textbooks, mini workbook, vocabulary list, and practice paper. So you always have structured materials to study with both during and outside of classes. All of my textbooks includes listening activity, speaking, writing, and reading as well. Grammar, vocabulary, natural expressions, everything I teach is based on real conversation Korean. Because Korean is more than just a language, it's a way to connect people, culture, and stories. No pressure and no boring textbook. You may sometimes wonder, will I really be able to do that? But ensuring that every student can reach their maximum potential will always be my priority. Anyways, I'm really excited to help you embark on your Korean journey. Bye! See you in the class!